Hi everybody, it's me Sissy back today with another Christmas DIY and a giveaway and a product review. The nice people at I don't know how to pronounce it, Mejosi, I don't know. That's what I'm calling it, Mejosi. But anyway, they sent me these great lashes and press-on nails. Now these, you can use glue tabs with this or nail glue. But they sent me these products and I tried the nails and I am not really good with the lashes. But they're really pretty lashes. Not way overdone, and I'm sure somebody will get a lot of use out of them. So I truly can say that I loved the nails. The nails were great. I put them on and I wore them for well over a week, and I only had one nail came off and I had to put another little glue tab under it, and they wore so well. They weren't thick or they weren't too thin. I know sometimes I get nails and they're too thin and they're kind of sharp, but these nails were great. Even the chunky ones with the glitter on them, they don't feel chunky. When you touch them, they're smooth. So they have offered a discount code if you're interested in the nails or the lashes, and it's buy one get one 50% off if you use the code Sissy50. I'll put a link down below to the lashes and the nails, but I'm going to do a giveaway. These are so great. I want other people to try them. So all you got to do is comment on this video. Comment whether you want nails or lashes, and on the 15th, December the 15th, I'm going to be giving away both of these, the lovely red nails just in time for Christmas. The other pair I have are green, and I took them off because I broke one of my nails underneath really short, and it was kind of hurting, so I took the nails off and went and let the manicurist look at it. But anyway, I'm going to give these away. I still have my green ones that I was wearing in several of my videos. I still have those for Christmas. Come try to get those back on for Christmas. And that's the great thing about them. If you use the sticky tabs that come with them, there's several sets of sticky tabs in there. You can wear the nails for, you know, as long as you want. I just took them off very carefully. The nails were fine. The adhesive came right off of them, so I have them in a little jar on my table so I can put the nails right back on. But anyway, thank you so much, Danina, for sending me the nails and the eyelashes. I truly wish that I was adept enough to put the lashes on, but I can't do it. So, but they are gorgeous. I wish I could. But anyway, comment in below the video nails or lashes, and I will give them away to 2 winners on the 15th. But anyway, let's get to the video. We're going to use these cute little pails that I got at Dollar Tree. I'm going to do one in traditional Christmas colors and give to my sister, and I'm going to do one in this blue to kind of go with my colors. I'm going to use the buckets. I got 2 dowels, 2 styrofoam balls, some floral foam. I've got some bling wrap and some twine, and then I have an assortment of Christmas picks to do the actual topiary with. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the sticks, the trunks of the topiary trees. I didn't want to just put the sticks in and paint them brown. I wanted them to have a little bit of texture. So the one that we're going to do with the traditional colors, I'm just going to take some burlap twine, and we're going to put a little dot of glue on here, and then we're just going to cover this dowel with this twine. So okay, once we get it caught, then I'm just going to put a little drop of glue on the stick. Don't go too far because it'll watch me get all tangled up. Let me take my cord off. There we go. But we're just going to wrap it around, and it is okay if it overlaps. That'll make it look a little more realistic, I guess. But we're going to get it in that glue. There we go. For my other stem, I'm going to see if I can use this bling wrap. Okay, so we're just going to put some glue on here. Okay, so now we're going to take our pots and we're going to put some foam in it. I'm just going to cut it in half. Then we're just going to put a little dot of glue in the center. And push our stick down in. Not real deep. Just a little ways. Our 2 foam balls, and I just want to make a little, like a starting hole in these, so I'm just going to take the scissors and do a little small hole. Put some glue in it, but don't overdo it with the glue because you don't want to melt your foam ball. And then we're going to stick it down. Do our little blue in here, and I'm going to go ahead and fill my vase, my little bucket up before we start doing the tree. I think that might be easier. And we're just going to fill it with this table scatter. My battery died again, so I don't know where that cut off. But anyway, I had started working on this. I didn't like how it turned out, so I took it all apart, and now we're started over, and we're going to glue this tinsel garland on here, and we're going to do it kind of loose and light and airy. We don't want to wrap it really, really tight, so... Okay, so now we have that glued on. I kind of like it just like it is, but we're going to add some more stuff to it. So I got some of this table scatter left, and of course it is rolling everywhere. So, and we're going to use some of this blendy. Maybe I'll put a couple of these little colored ones down here in the bucket. Just now we're going to use this little foam ring and the leftover tinsel garland, and we're going to make a little wreath. Okay, so now I'm going to use this lovely llama ribbon that I was gifted by Janice, and we're going to make a bow to go on our little wreath. And we're going to use this teal colored ribbon also. And we don't need a big bow because this is a little tiny wreath, so we're just going to put our two ribbons together. Make a loop. Make a loop. And now since this ribbon has a right and a wrong, we're just going to take these in the back and kind of twist them so that it's to the front. And we're just going to take a twist tie and tie it in the middle. Let's make sure that our loops are the same. Yep. And we're going to tie it. our little bow on our wreath. Just hooking it with a twist tie, and then I'm going to take that same twist tie and make a loop to hang it with. Okay, that's our 2 Christmas topiaries. 2 very different ones. One kind of traditional and one very non-traditional. So stay tuned. I have just a few more Christmas DIY decorations coming up, and then I'm going to start working on my gifts. So remember, if Sissy can do it, y'all can do it too. See you next time, and don't forget to enter the giveaway. I will be giving away a set of lashes and a set of nails on December the 15th. All you got to do is comment below nails or eyelashes. And thanks again to, let me find my nails. Thanks again to Mejosi. I don't know. I can't say it, y'all. But anyway, it's a great company. I really love the nails they sent me. I use them. And I would have had this giveaway sooner, but I wanted to test them out first to make sure they were good. But they are really, really great. And if you're not the lucky winner, there is a coupon code Sissy50. You can buy one, get one free. And I'll put all the links in the description box. Remember, Sissy can do it. You can do it too. See you next time. Bye-bye.